move the top image backward. Select the image, click Mask, Rectangle, adjust the rectangle width. To create a feeling of going from narrow to wide, first pull the rectangle narrow. Click the keyframe, then rotate the mask and enlarge it. The opening effect is done. Upload 4 images. Click Rectangle Mask and adjust the size and position of the rectangular mask and add a keyframe. Then pull the mask to the middle of the image and add a keyframe. The effect of revealing the screen from top to bottom is done. The operations afterward are the same. Adjust the mask position and add keyframes. Of course, there are not only ways to reveal the screen from top to bottom. If you want to try other reveal effects, you can use the keyframes and masks in other positions. Like the 4th picture, it is an effect revealing from the middle of the screen. Have you learned it? Come try it on Boolvideo.